Hello and welcome to this part of programming for the web. Today I want to look at installing a Linux system. Now this is going to be over a number of parts. We'll look at installing VirtualBox, creating a virtual machine, downloading, installing in Linux, setting up Linux, and then downloading and installing the various different programs that are required for programming for the web. So it's going to be in about 5 or 6 parts depending on how big each part is. So the first part is very easy. We need to download VirtualBox, and to do that you need to go to www.virtualbox.org. In the middle of the screen it says download VirtualBox, so click on that. You will then have a number of options. If you're on a Windows machine, click on Windows. If you're on a Mac, OS X hosts. If you're on Linux, you'll have VirtualBox already, so it's not required. Okay, so I'm on Windows, click on Windows hosts and save VirtualBox. It's as easy as that, and down it comes. Once VirtualBox is downloaded, just double click on it to install it, following all the standard default settings, and it will install for you onto your computer. That's all there is to it. Thank you very much. I'm John, and I'll see you in the next video.